here's our front steps coming down, and then if you go up to these steps and go off to the right or the left, you can actually go up to the piazza. Here's our front porch, which is really pretty, and here's the ruin. I'm going to step back a little bit so you can see everything. So Salvatore has fixed everything all up out here. It used to be really gross, and so he's put all this nice stone down. That's the ruin in there. It goes on quite a ways. That's the old bathroom, which will now be at the new bathroom. And then here is our door to our house, and I'll take you inside. Oh, and these bottles are in the corner because cats, for whatever reason, are afraid of them. So I keep the water bottles in the corner. Okay, here we are inside. This is the entry hall. Very nice. I found this old table in the ruin and salvaged it. It's handmade, so I'm going to have it refinished. Maybe Caroline can help me do that because she's a whiz at that. Here's our little electrical and water box. Oh, actually, electrical box. So this is where you turn it on and off, and then the water box that you turn it on and off when we leave. We just turn everything off and it's fine. Oh, I salvaged those from the ruin because a friend of mine is buying a place here, and I think she might need some toilets at every day. So anyway, there we are. So yeah, this is our entry hall. I'm going to take you into the living room. That sound is the washer. It sounds like a jet taking off. Here's our living room. It's very pretty. I love it. Andy, last time we were here, Andy went ahead and painted inside the arch there, so it's now an accent wall, and this gold is very pretty. And we got new sofas a few times ago. This little table I love. I always take it out and eat on the balcony. And my sheets are drying, so they're very colorful. And here's the balcony outside. You can see that beautiful view. It's a gorgeous day today. It's not too hot. Humid like always, but not hot. Nice breeze. It's just beautiful. September is a really nice time to be here. Okay, so going back in through the house now. The ruin is on the other side of this wall. Picture, if you will, hang on, move out here. Okay, picture, if you will, a big arch that opens up to a room just like this one, except along the far wall on that side is going to be an open plan kitchen. Okay, and then here, there's going to be a wall on the other side of this arch, and there will be another room for like a bedroom or a lounge. I think we're going to have it be a lounge / bedroom, and another bathroom. So that's going to change a lot of things. Going back through, the toilets do not belong there. Here's the hallway, nice and wide. You can see that these arches are all over the place, and I'll explain a little bit about them. This arch here, as you can see, that's the thickness of the wall. This wall's about 2 feet thick. They were built that way. This is an old piazza. This is one of the original arches that was there because it's so thick. And here's the kitchen. Very functional. And we have our trash has to be separated. So every day there's a new thing that gets picked up. It took me a while to figure it out. I think I got it. What I do is I put something out and then I sneak inside the house and peek out the window to make sure they take it. Monday I was refused, but I figured it out. Anyway, old style kitchen. There is our neighbor who's working on his house. And the table, big old table. And there's a little countertop in our fridge. It's not a huge kitchen. This will actually be a bedroom very soon because we're going to put the open plan kitchen in. But you can see it's a nice functional kitchen. We love it. Okay, back in the hallway. Here's our little triangle room. It's a very strange little room, but it works. Right now I'm using it for storage, as you can see. This copper pan Pete and I found it in the ruin, and it's really, really cool. I think maybe a fountain will make out of that, or something really nice. It's really awesome. I guess they used it for cooking, I don't know, grapes or something, or maybe, I don't know, grain alcohol, who knows. There's our neighbor's house next door, and we're going to go now into the other room. We have a nice storage cabinet here. Here's our bathroom. There's our washer. Let's make it on the noise. We put in new toilets every day. It's very nice in here. Clean, you know, I mean, nothing super great, but we love it because it's clean, it's shiny, it's sparkly, and then we have this gorgeous view from the toilet. If you want to look at it, you have to peek out so nobody sees it, but it's nice. So yeah, so it's our bathroom. I'll give you another view of it as I walk out. Yeah, so it's a nice bathroom, very bright. Here's our bedroom. Huge. And you can see we've got the massive wardrobe. We're getting some more of those too. Laundry basket, my suitcases are in the corner. And then I pulled this out of the room too. It's a little, I don't know, it's sort of an old, I don't know, from 1930s, 1940s dressing table. It's nice, we like it. And then this was a gift from my neighbor, St. Anthony. And there we are. So that is, oh, let me show you the view from the bedroom. It's gorgeous. This is one of my favorite things to wake up to in the morning. Opening. There we go. There it is, that big elephant head mountain, which I just totally love. And then you can see over there, there's the top of a terrace. And sometimes when we're out on our terrace, we see our neighbors out on theirs, and everybody just really enjoys it outside. There's a lot of outside life here in this village. So that's the bedroom. So now I'm going to take you outside, and I'm going to stop this video and restart one when I go into the ruin. So stay tuned. Bye.